Hey Grant, this is a quick demo video for you for your Anti-Flex. Just got it done this morning. I actually had the Saber installed last night, but I got your blade done this morning. So just wanted to go over it with you. I printed a grip guide myself to put these on, so everything is aligned properly and goes around here properly. Same distance, everything is good there. I use my own clamp switch setup for inside this box. So you can hear that. That's your auxiliary switch. And then up top here is your activation. Now the way these are made is it comes with a pre-PC, it's got a PCB with a switch on it, but you got to press down a little bit to engage it. So you want to watch out for that. And then just press down all the way. And then also with these 89s, sometimes that button does tend to get like that. Just move it like that, right? It's just the nature of this button. So this is your blade retention screw right here. I do have your blade plug in it for now. And we'll unscrew it right here. Comes out like that. You've got, here's your chassis right here. Removable battery system. Then the spring right here is your negative side, and then over here obviously is your positive right next to the speaker. And you've got your CFX board right here with access to your SD card. I did put on the sound fonts that you gave me to put on, and we'll go through all that. So here's your battery. Slap it in here. And we'll slide this on. Goes right on, fits good. Activation right here. You can see it lighten up your blade plug nice. Smooth swing. Auxiliary. Hold it down for blade lockup. And now we're going to take your blade plug out. I'm going to put your blade in so that you can see that that works too. I'll just unscrew this a bit. Blade plug will slide right out. I've got your blade right here, 36-inch, 7/8 diameter Neopixel. Slides right in. I did sand the tip of this blade for you so that you wouldn't have any problems getting it in your hilt. So then we're just going to tighten her down a little bit. Not too tight, just give it a little bit of a bite, right, depending on what you like to do with it. Went to sleep on me. Nice blade. Tap for your blaster deflex. Hold your auxiliary for blade lockup. Now if you want to change color while the blade is on, hold down your auxiliary button and twist your wrist like this.
Spectrum.
Now you can twist the hilt to go to different colors. And then whenever you find a color that you like, just tap the auxiliary button again. You'll hear that sound, and that's your blade color. So when you turn it back on, it will remember that color. Just like that. Now to change blade effects, because I gave you a bunch, hold down your auxiliary and twist your wrist, but keep the auxiliary button held down.
Spectrum.
Keep it held down.
Blade profiles.
Now you can twist the hilt again to go through different blade profiles. You've got some unstable ones on here, some just all kinds of different ones that you can mess around with. But when you find one that you like, just tap the auxiliary button again. And then there you go. And then it will remember that color and that effect when you turn it back on. So I'm going to take your blade out of here for a second because it's a little bit easier to go over things and talk about it. So, you know, while I'm not swinging it around and hitting stuff. So there's the blade. I'm going to go ahead and put your blade plug back in because that's how I'll send it. But before I do that, I do want to show you have your stock Neopixels in there, obviously, like you asked for. So we'll put your blade plug back in, tighten her up a little bit. get it out of deep sleep mode. Now to change sound fonts when the blade is off, hold down your auxiliary button until you hear this.
Sound bank selection.
Obi-Wan Kenobi.
That's a 28mm bass speaker in there, by the way. It sounds really good. So you can cycle through your sound fonts with your auxiliary or your power button. I like doing it with the auxiliary.
The Force is with you, young Skywalker. You're not a Jedi yet.
Again.
Always two there are. No more, no less. Tactical.
Did you ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
When you find one you like, hold down the button.
They're like animals, and I slaughtered them like animals.
Flash on flash. And then turn it off. So sir, that is your hilt. I will have this packed up this evening and going out in the mail for Monday morning. Thank you for your business. Thanks.